Aladdin chimneys are quite a bit more simple than typical chimneys because there's only two styles to choose from, and they have the relative same dimensions. So they're the same height and they have the same width. They have separate bottoms. So there are two types, a Heelless and a lox-on. The lox-on has ridges on the bottom, while the Heelless is completely smooth. The Aladdin chimneys are designed to match the gallery of the burner. The gallery is this top part. So this is for a lox-on chimney, and this gallery is for a Heelless chimney. It is very important that you have the correct type of Aladdin chimney that matches the gallery. The lox-on doesn't easily slide into a Heelless gallery, and a Heelless chimney will not lock in to a lox-on gallery. Join us for another video when we talk about non-Aladdin parts and how to measure a burner to fit a chimney.